Hi guys! I'm back with a new video and today I'm gonna use this super duper cute foundation. This is Nee Cara's Colorful Unicorn Cushion Foundation. And you guys, nakita ko to sa Facebook more than a month ago na and in-order ko siya kaagad kasi super duper cute ng packaging. Look you guys, diba nakaka-inlove yung glitters niya? Sino hindi may in-love yan? Cute-cute, diba? And it took, I think, more than 30 days bago ko to na-receive. But it's super duper worth it kasi diba ang cute. And talaga namang ang ganda-ganda ng foundation na to. Honestly, third time ko na siyang ginamit today and hindi ko na siya gagawa ng first impression review kasi talaga naman ang ganda-ganda ng foundation na to. Nung first time ko siyang ginamit, pumunta ko na, I was out use this foundation for like 12 hours and you guys, hindi siya nag-cake up, hindi ako nag-oil up dito ng bonggang-bongga. Nag-last siya ng I think 12 hours and talaga naman, ang dami nang nag-review nito and maganda talaga siya. I definitely recommend. They have 3 shades, shade 20, 21, and 22. But I got the shade 21 kasi ito yung may yellow undertone sa tatlo and mas gusto ko yung may yellow undertone kasi pagdating sa foundation kasi mas feeling ko mas nakaka-fresh. My skin is neutral. So mas gusto ko yung mga yellow ang undertone when it comes to foundation kasi mas feeling ko nakaka-fresh. Does that make sense? Do I make sense? I hope I do. Honestly, medyo hesitant ako gumamit ng mga cushion foundation, lalo yung mga Korean cushion foundation, mga BB cushion, or whatever. Kasi most of the time, they're too light. I've tried a few cushion foundations before and I ended up just giving them away kasi hindi talaga ako natutuwa kasi sobrang puti. Hindi ko matone down yung foundation kahit gumamit ako ng darker powder and tons of bronzer kasi talagang ang puti. But this foundation is from Thailand and so far so good. Hindi ito yung this shade is a little darker on me pero mukhang okay naman. Hindi siya nag-oxidize sa akin. Pero since yellow yung undertone niya, okay naman siya. Okay naman siya. But yeah, you guys, if you wanna see how I created this look, please keep on watching.